The Kadayawan Festival. The Kadayawan Festival is an annual event celebrated in Davao City, Philippines. It is a week-long festival held every third week of August. And it is considered one of the most important and highly anticipated festivals in the country. The festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration that showcases the cultural heritage, abundance of resources, and diverse traditions of the Davao region. The Kadayawan Festival primarily honors the bountiful harvest of the region's agricultural products, including fruits, flowers, and other crops. Kadayawan is derived from the Mandaya word, madaya, which means good or beautiful. The festival is a way for the people of Davao to express gratitude for the blessings of nature, the abundant harvest, and the overall prosperity of the region. During the festival, the streets of Davao City come alive with various activities, events, and parades. One of the highlights is the Indulge sa Kadayawan, a street dancing competition where participants clad in vibrant costumes dance to traditional and modern music. It is a spectacle of colors, music, and choreography that showcases the rich cultural heritage of the region. Another significant event is the Floral Float Parade, where intricately decorated floats adorned with fresh flowers and fruits parade through the city streets. These floats are created by different communities, organizations, and companies, each depicting their unique interpretation of abundance and beauty. Aside from the street parades, the festival also features cultural shows, trade fairs, food festivals, art exhibits, and other activities. Visitors can experience the local cuisine, sample various fruits and delicacies, and explore the diverse arts and crafts of the region. The Kadayawan Festival is not only a celebration of the harvest, but also a platform to promote peace, unity, and cultural diversity. It highlights the harmonious coexistence of various ethnic groups and religions in Davao City. It serves as a reminder of the region's rich cultural heritage and its close connection to nature. Overall, the Kadayawan Festival is a grand display of Davao's agricultural abundance, cultural diversity, and artistic talent. It attracts both local and international visitors, providing them with a unique An unforgettable experience of the vibrant culture and traditions of the Davao region.